Navigating Life on Autopilot. Understanding the phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're exploring a phrase you might have heard thrown around in conversations or seen in books: on automatic pilot. Have you ever wondered what it truly means and how you can use it in your everyday English? Well, you're in the right place. Let's get started. The phrase, on automatic pilot, refers to doing something automatically, without actively thinking about it. It's like your body and mind are going through the motions, but you're not fully engaged with the task at hand. Imagine driving to work and not remembering the details of the drive because you've done it so many times. That's being on automatic pilot. This expression is borrowed from aviation, where an automatic pilot, or autopilot, is a system that controls the trajectory of an aircraft without constant, hands-on control by a human operator. It's a metaphor for how we sometimes operate in our daily lives. Let's look at some common scenarios where this phrase might pop up. Workplace. I was on automatic pilot during the meeting. I can't even recall what was discussed. Daily routines. I make my coffee on automatic pilot every morning. Driving. I drove home on automatic pilot and didn't even notice the new store on the way. These examples show how the phrase can be applied to various activities, emphasizing the lack of conscious thought involved in the process. Going on automatic pilot can actually be a coping mechanism. It allows our brains to save energy for tasks that require more attention and creativity. However, it's also a sign that we might be overly familiar with a task, or perhaps not fully engaged in our current activities. Understanding when and why we switch to this mode can help us stay more present and perhaps find ways to bring a little more mindfulness into our routines. When using this phrase in conversation or writing, it's usually to convey a sense of routine, disengagement, or lack of attention. It's often used in a reflective or self-deprecating manner, acknowledging that one was not fully present in the moment. Here are a few tips on using it. Use it to express automatic behavior or actions. It can be a way to apologize for not paying full attention. Or, use it to describe a state of mind during mundane or repetitive tasks. And there you have it, a deep dive into the meaning and use of the phrase, on automatic pilot. We hope this exploration has not only enlightened you but also added a new phrase to your English vocabulary arsenal. Remember, language is a window into the workings of our minds and lives, and phrases like this one offer a glimpse into how we navigate our world. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please consider liking and subscribing for more content like this. Until next time, keep exploring and never stop learning.